Good afternoon, folks. This is your real estate housing market review for the Vancouver Real Estate Board for March of 2026. It is very, very similar to the Fraser Valley Board. It's almost mirror images. The So if we look over here to the first quarter stats, so these stats right here along this line here, maybe I'll just make it a little bit bigger for you here. So these stats along this line here, these are comparing. So first of all, it's a percentage change in the first quarter, and it's comparing to the first quarter of last year. That's what these differences are. And as you can see, the absorption is down 24% in the Vancouver board. Sales are down 6.1%, which is not as significant as the Fraser Valley board. And inventory is up 22%, 22.8%. It's a function of less demand and more supply, incoming supply. And the prices are down 5%. So it's not quite as dramatic as the negativity is not quite as dramatic as the Fraser Valley area. But again, if you look over here in the stats machine and you look at this absorption, we started out at 6.41% in January, and then we went to 8.54% in February and 10.59% in March. So similar to the Fraser Valley, it is an increase. It is going in the right direction to try to pull us out of this hole we've been in, but it's too early to tell whether or not 2026 is actually going to be a better year than 2025. I am still predicting that it is going to be, and my prediction is based on we don't see the full effect of the decreasing decreasing interest rates from quite a few months ago now. And also the pent-up demand is starting to step off the fence. So I think you're going to see this trend increase as we go into 2026, but we're not going to be seeing any massive increases in prices. Prices will probably just level off and stay steady. Activity will increase a bit over last year throughout 2026. But it's going to be hopefully the Vancouver and the Fraser Valley board get into that balanced range. So absorption above 12%, but that remains to be seen. It's too early to tell. So that's your review for March of 2026 for the Vancouver Real Estate Board.